Standard 8, Subject General Science, Lesson number 11, Human Body and Organ System. Blood. Blood is a red color fluid material. It is fluid connective tissue. The oxygenated blood is deep red color, salty in taste, and its pH is 7.4. Blood is composed of mainly two components, and the names are plasma and blood cell. Now let's see about plasma. A plasma is pale yellow, clear and slightly alkaline fluid. It contains 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% protein and 1 to 2% inorganic salt. Albumin distribute the water all over the body. C. Globulins. It is used for protection. Now next is fibrinogen and prothrombin. This helps in blood clotting process. Plasma contain inorganic ions such as Ca, Na, K, which control the function of muscle and nerves. Here Ca means calcium, Na stand for sodium, K stand for potassium. Now let's see about blood cell. Blood cells are of three types. The names are RBC, WBC and platelets. Here RBC stand for red blood cells. WBC stand for white blood cells. White blood cells are further classified into 5 parts. Now let's see about RBC, that is red blood corpuscles. RBC is small, circular, enucleated cell. These cells appear red due to hemoglobin. Here enucleated means without nucleus. Now oxygen dissolves in blood due to the hemoglobin. 50 to 60 RBC are present in each cubic millimeter of the blood. RBC are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 127 days approximately. Now let's see about white blood cells, that is WBC. These are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5000 to 10,000 WBC are present per mm³ of blood. There are 5 types of WBC present in the blood, and the names are basophil, eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. WBC are produced in red bone marrow. WBC act as a soldier in our body. Now its functions are: these cells attack the pathogen entering our body. They protect us from the microbial diseases. Now the next type is platelet. These are extremely small and disc shaped. 2.5 to 4 lakh platelet are present per mm³ of blood. Function of the platelets are: it participate in blood clotting process. Let's see the function of the blood in detail. Transport of gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cells in various parts of the body, and carbon dioxide from tissue to lungs. Now transport of nutrient. Simple nutrient like glucose, amino acid, fatty acid are taken up by blood from wall of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. Transport of waste material. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissue in the blood which carries those to kidney for excretion. Protection. Antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect from the microbes and other harmful particles. Transport of enzymes and hormones. Blood transport the enzymes and hormones from the site of their production to the site of their action. Thermoregulation. Body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees Celsius by vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Now blood used in maintaining the balance of material like sodium, potassium in the body. If bleeding occur at the injury, platelets and a protein called fibrinogen of the blood form a clot and seal the injury. Human blood group. Depending upon the proteins like antigens and antibodies, different blood groups are formed. There are four main groups of the human blood as A, B, AB and O. Besides, there are two types of Rh negative and Rh positive of each of those four groups. Thus, in all, 8 blood groups are formed. Blood donation. If a person meet an accident, bleeding occur through wounds. Many times, blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operation. Similarly, blood is transfused in case of patient of the anemia, thalassemia, cancer too. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood shortage in the body. This is called the blood transfusion. Now, you should know from where the blood is supplied for blood transfusion. Yes, blood banks, blood donor. Now, blood bank. Blood is collected in the blood bank by specific method from the healthy person and supplied to the needful person. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some day in refrigerator. Now blood donor. Person who donate the blood is referred as the blood donor. Blood recipient. Person who receive the blood referred as recipient. Now you should know that person of the blood group O can donate the blood to the person having any other blood group, whereas the person with AB blood group can receive the blood from the person with any blood group. Hence, person of blood group O is called as universal donor and the person with the blood group AB is called as universal recipient. Blood pressure. Blood is continuously kept flowing through blood vessels due to contraction relaxation of the heart. Due to contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall of the arteries and it is called as a blood pressure. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the heart is called as a systolic pressure, and that one recorded during the relaxation is called the diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120 by 80 mm to 139 by 89 mm of mercury. It is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. Hypertension, that is high blood pressure. High blood pressure than the normal is referred as the hypertension. In arteries of the person with hypertension, unnecessary tension develop. Heart need to perform more function than the normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressures are high in hypertension. ABO blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize of 1930 for this discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by De Castello and Sterling in 1902. Hematology. Branch of medical science that deal with the study of blood, hematopathic organs and blood diseases is called as hematology. Research of diagnosis and remedies of blood diseases is also performed in this branch. So dear students, here we finish the 11th chapter, that is human body and organ system. Thank you.